Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these customizable pajama pants. So my daughter's got her face all over them. So I am going to get them out and then we're going to have her put them on. But these are so soft. We actually sent in 3 separate pictures and then she picked out the background of the pants. They've got a nice elastic on them and drawstring. They are super warm feeling and soft. And the pictures look great. They went around and cut all the way around all of the edges on there. I'm going to go ahead and get her to put them on and we will take a closer look at them. All right, she's got on the pants. These are super cute for a little lounging to be able to wear around. They've got nice little pockets on the sides that you can wear, and they're nice and loose fitting. The elastic band on them are really nice with the nice drawstring. You'll be able to put those on however you want. And then you've got your pockets. Like I said, they do go down. It's got a little bit of stretch to them, but these pictures are so cute. I absolutely love the quality that is in them. And this is a nice little gift that you can give to somebody or keep for yourself and have for a nice little present.